Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a major time saver for anyone managing their business workflows, the QuickCreate feature in Zoho Books. If you're tired of clicking through multiple menus just to create a basic invoice, sales order, or expense, this is going to be a game changer for your productivity. We're going to look at how to use these shortcuts to stay in your flow state and get your work done faster. If you find this guide helpful, please take a quick second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us make more of these tutorials for you. All right, let's get into the step-by-step. To get started, you'll want to be logged into your Zoho Books dashboard. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the main sidebar where all your modules are listed, from sales and purchases to banking and everything in between. Most people just click these headers to go to the full index, but there's a much faster way. Take your mouse and hover over any module name in that sidebar. Let's use Sales as an example. When you hover, you'll notice a tiny plus icon appearing right next to that module name. This is your gateway to QuickCreate. By clicking that little plus, a mini form will pop up immediately. This allows you to create new records like a customer, a quote, a bill, or a sales order without leaving the page you're currently viewing. You just fill out the essential details in the pop-up window, click Save, and you are done. The beauty of this is that it works across almost every category. Whether you're in the General section, where you can quickly add a new item or log your time, or deep in the inventory, sales, or purchase modules, the process is exactly the same. For sales, you have direct one-click access to invoices, recurring invoices, retail invoices, and even customer payments. In the Purchases module, you can just as easily generate a new bill, expense, or purchase order. Even your banking tasks, like recording a bank transfer or owner drawings, can be triggered via this method. This feature is designed to keep you focused on the task at hand without needing to navigate back and forth between different screens. It's small, but it's one of the most effective habits you can build for managing your business accounting efficiently. If you follow this process consistently, you'll find you're saving minutes of clicking time every single day. If this video helped you streamline your Zoho Books workflow, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.